Hello, tuloy na po natin ang video kanina na naputol. Number 41. Why do fisher folks catch more fish during the new moon than during the full moon? A. Fishes are more active during the new moon because of the salt content of water is just right. Fishes look for mates during the new moon. Fishes go near the surface during the new moon because the water is warmer. Fishes are attracted to the light from the fishing boat, which fisher makes during new moon. Ang sagot ko dito ay alam ko tama yung sagot ko dito. Yung ginagawa nilang ilaw yung moon. Letter D. Number 42. Mahal kita, hindi to bola, ngumiti ka man lang sana, ako'y nasa langit na. Ang salitang pampamantika na ginagamit sa linya ng kanta ay nangangahulugan ng sinisinta. Yung sagot ko kahapon, mali. Yun pala ay napakasaya. 43. Which is the method of growing vegetables and low plants in a nutrient-packed aerated solution with no soil at all? Vegetative cultivation, natural farming, hydroponics, aerial cultivation. Hydroponics. Letter C, hydroponics. Number 44. Which part of the brain is responsible for memory and intelligence? Cerebrum, medulla oblongata, thalamus. Cerebellum sinagot ko. Mali. Cerebrum pala yun. Letter B. Number 45. How can the Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program bring about social equity and economic prosperity in the country? By distributing agrarian lands to landless farmers free of charge, by transferring the owner of land to farmers for a value, by helping the affected landowners to use their land and compensation in viable business activities. Ang sagot dito ay 3 yung wala. Kaya 1, 2, and 4. Di ko sure pero ito ata yun. Number 46. You are a member of a cooperative which operates taxis, tricycles, and buses. Of which type of cooperative are you a member? Service cooperative, multipurpose, marketing, producer. Producer sa sinagot ko dito. Mali, dapat marketing. Number 47. Which among the following is an example of a transfer payment? Profit, rent, unemployment benefits, government purchases. Unemployment ata to kasi sinagot ko dito government purchases, parang mali. Mamaya malalaman natin. Adolfo does not allow his feelings and biases to influence his recording of observation, interpretation of data, and formulation conclusion. What scientific attitude is reflected in his actions? Ang sinag ko dito ay absence of bias, pero mali pala yun. Objectivity daw ang sagot dyan. Number 49. If a baseball player hits 10 home runs in the first 45 games at the same rate, how many home runs can he expect to hit during the 162 game season? Ang sagot dito, 36. 40 sinagot ko, nagkamali ako. Kasi 45 plus 45 is 90. Plus 45, 135. Plus 45, 175. 36 yung tamang sagot. 50. Which method of reproduction provides for the most variety of springs? Cloning, sexual, asexual, cellular. Sexual to tama ako dyan. Yan. Hanapin na natin ang tamang sagot. Kung makakailan ako sa araw na to. 1 to 4. Apat na B. 5. 9. DCVA. 13. CCA. Yung dami ko sagot na tama lahat 17. CCDBD. 21. BCD. 25. 29. 33. DCCB. 37. 41. 45. 8. Uy, ang galing. Kahapon ko lang to pinag-aralan. Dati, kahapon, ang nakuha ko ay 22 over 50. Ngayon, ang mali ko lang is 1, 2, 3, 4. Ibig sabihin, 46 over 50. Yay! O, diba? Kaya, alam mag-review. Madali lang matandaan. Babalik-balikan natin yan. 50 questions per day. Tapos, sasagutan din natin. Para makapag-exam tayo. Later, gagawa naman ulit ako ng 50 questions ulit. Then, sasagutan. Then, another day, 50 ulit. Pero bago ulit ng 50, balikan natin yung tamang sagot no another 50. At least, matatandaan natin yan lahat. See you on my next 50 questions and answers for review. Bye!